Hello everyone and welcome to Science. Today we are going to be starting a new scope in our History of Earth bundle. So we are going to be learning about plate tectonics. Our learning target today is I can examine fossil movement by mapping the locations of trilobite fossils from Cambrian time. While we're waiting for the rest of our classmates to join us, please do two things. What clues do fossils give us about the past? Answer this question in the chat, and also please be sure to complete the daily attendance form in Schoology. Whoops. Here is the plan for week 6 if you attend live classes on Monday and Wednesday. And here is the plan for week 6 if you attend classes Tuesday and Thursday. The flow of today's class is a community builder. We'll take a brain break, go over the lesson, answer any questions you might have some work time, and then check out with our FISTA 4 reflection poll. So for today, we're going to play a fossils Kahoot to learn some new information about fossils and review some old information that we learned from our last scope. Then we'll take our brain break and review our learning target. So again, I can examine fossil movement by mapping the locations of trilobite fossils from Cambrian time. Our assignment is interactive notebook pages 13 through 19. It's due in 2 days at 7:59 a.m., but remember, do not submit your interactive notebooks until your teacher tells you to do so. Our anchoring phenomena, the history of planet Earth. The anchoring question is what clues can tell us about a planet's past and help us predict its future? In this scope, we'll be focused on plate tectonics. So phenomena. How can the same species of fossil be found on different continents? You will interact with the following everyday phenomena. Where were trilobite fossils found? How are the continents like puzzle pieces? What can we infer from examining the distribution of fossils, rock formations, and continental shapes? What evidence do we have to support Wegener's theory of continental drift? So you will be getting a new interactive notebook. It is called Plate Tectonic Scope. Once you have it open, you can make sure that you put your name here to personalize it. And we'll review some vocabulary. So index fossils are fossils that are widespread, come from organisms that lived over a relatively short period of time, and can be used to correlate rock strata. Today you will begin to learn how the same species of fossil can be found on different continents by examining maps and completing pages in your interactive notebooks. Here is a video on how to access your assignment and submit it in Schoology. We will take time for questions, and then we'll have work time. When the time is up, we'll come back together and reflect. How can the same species of fossil be found on different continents? You can think about that to yourself, what helped you understand, and what needs to be explained differently. Remember, these interactive notebook pages 13 through 19 are due in 2 days, but do not submit them. Your teacher can see your progress. If you did not finish those pages today, you can work on them during your asynchronous time tomorrow. Then we'll check out with our FISTA 4 reflection poll. I can examine fossil movement by mapping the locations of trilobite fossils from Cambrian time. If you could teach this, rate yourself a 4. If you have a great understanding, give yourself a 3. If you're still learning, give yourself a 2. If you need some help, give yourself a 1. If you need a lot of help, give yourself a 0. And that concludes our lesson for today. Bye-bye.